around that, and I saw an analogy dealing with pressure, which I think applies here. That if you think of potential as pressure, and you've got this pressure buildup between 2 points, so you'd have a voltage. If you're looking at the potential difference between the negative and the insulator, no charges are going to flow. And the analogy is that you have a pipe and you block it. So water builds up, builds up, and builds up. And the other side, there's nothing because that water's drained away already. And then the pipe bursts. When the pipe bursts, you basically have no water on either side. There's no pressure buildup anymore. And so you would get a potential difference of 0, which is basically what happens if you've got the two leads sort of sitting out in space. You should have a potential of 0. And similar to having one on the insulator, one on the negative side. Not 100% satisfied with that as an answer, but that's the answer I have right now.
So would that mean the electric field lines do not go through the?
Electric field lines would go through. Well, actually, the electric field lines might or might not, depending upon what's happening inside the insulator. So it's, because if you look at the potential seemed to work, still looked like it should, except for that gap right there. So it's sort of like it's a black hole in a sense. Well, that has other physics meanings, I shouldn't use that one. So I would say the electric field goes in, the electric field goes out, and you don't know what's happening in between.
So, yes.
What'd you say?
Or no, just
Death?
all the lines.
Yeah, so what I'm picturing is
So we'll just ignore that part because we don't actually know what
Yeah.
the electric field is doing.
Yep. But even if it's weakening the electric field, that would be difficult to draw. Because it would still look like lines going in the same direction, but the linear density would change. Yeah, there's just a big unknown. If I find out something different, I'll let you know. All right, have a lovely rest of the weekend. Well, I assume you'll be studying physics, so of course it'll be lovely.